guys, it's me, Jennifer Priest, here at Smart Fun DIY. And I have something really, really special to share with you. It is a brand new feature here on Pinterest that can help you see everything from everyone that you're following in real time, like it's chronological order and it's from everyone you're following. I mean, haven't we been asking for that for like a while? A couple years ago, Pinterest changed over to the Smart Feed, which serves you up content here on your regular Pinterest screen based on things that it thinks you're interested in. So based on what you've searched on, what you're following, like what you've pinned lately, and lots of other factors, Pinterest serves up that content here in the Smart Feed. But what people were bummed out about is they followed people whose content they loved and they weren't seeing it. So Pinterest's answer to that is this new following button. So let's take a look at it. Now, I do want to tell you have this on desktop and you do have it on mobile. Now on desktop, it's going to be all the way to the far right-hand side of the search bar, right where the Discover button used to be. Now it's going to be the following button and then the Discover button's right next to that. Now on mobile, on Android, it's down at the bottom of the screen. It's this two people icon. Click that whether you're on your mobile app or desktop, and you'll be able to see everything from the people that you're following. So Pinterest says right here up at the top, welcome to your new following tab. Discover ideas from people that you follow. And everything here is from people and boards that I follow in chronological order. So yours will look completely different, but you know what's super cool is what you see on desktop matches mobile exactly. So I'm going to go over to the Pinterest app on my phone and click on the little followers button here in the Pinterest app. So I'm on regular Pinterest. Down at the bottom, you can see there's this two little person icon, and I'm going to see exactly the same stuff here on mobile as I would see on desktop. The same pins in the same order. So let me refresh my mobile here. All exactly perfectly the same content. So it's pretty dang cool how this works. Now, if you notice Pinterest has been glitchy the last couple weeks, well, that's because they've been making changes. And so it's probably going to be glitchy a little bit more. If you click here on the plus button right next to the line of people that you're following, you can see other people that they recommend for you to follow. So this is a great way to discover new accounts. And one of the things you might also want to do is go and make sure that you are following your favorite bloggers and favorite stores, your favorite content creators over here on Pinterest. So go to their blog, click their Pinterest button, and make sure that you're following. And in fact, if you're not following Smart Fun DIY or my account, Jennifer P. Priest, over on Pinterest, check it out. I put a link down in the comments where you can go, or down in the description of this video, where you can go and follow me to make sure that you're following so you can get all of our good stuff over there. We pin lots of really cool things. If you guys have friends that love Pinterest and you think that they would love this feature, let them know. Tag them down in the comments. If you're watching this on Facebook, if you're watching this on YouTube, hit that share button and share it on social media. You can also email this to people, and on Facebook, you can message this video to people as a private message as well if you want to send it to them. I always want to make sure that you guys are seeing fun, fresh craft ideas before everybody else, so make sure that you stay here following Smart Fun DIY. Bye!